Hey folks, Ryan here, South Thompson RV. And I'm not gonna lie, it is miserable today. It is pouring rain, and I can honestly tell you, if I had the choice or if I was camping, and I actually am going camping tonight, and thank goodness I have an RV. I can tell you right now, if we were in a tent, I would definitely not be going, or I would be making a big stink. But this is the kind of weather where I look and I go, maybe an RV would be an ideal thing to go into. Even if you're not camping, having one in the rain, a lot more fun. Anyways, folks, if you're looking to upgrade your experience, swing on down to South Thompson today. Looking forward to seeing you all.